Hello, good afternoon. I wanted to give you an update on the babies. And I noticed in the last video you could hardly see them because of the bubbling, so I turned the air off. So that way we can get a really good close-up look at all these babies. And hopefully you can get a good view. I'll zoom in so we can see the babies. There's quite a bit in here. We've got about 50 of them. I was able to save a little bit more. I actually pulled out probably about 10 more today out of the pond. So, let me see. If I go around here, you can see some of them. There you go. They seem to be doing good, and I am giving them some goldfish flakes, real tiny. They are eating them, so that makes me happy. I'm glad they're eating. That's always a plus. But yeah, there's quite a bit of them in here. And we will see how they grow. Hopefully they'll all make it. They seem to be doing okay. Let's see if I see any more over here. I can give you, I'm trying to get the glare because I have them inside in the garage because I didn't want to leave them outside. But yeah, there's another one. Yeah, so I think that it was a Kawaku female that laid those eggs. The only problem is we have other fish that were in there that I'm not 100% sure what breed they are, and yeah, so we don't know what they're going to look like, unfortunately. It's going to be a waiting game to see if they're going to look like mom or a combination of mom and dad. Should be interesting to watch them grow and get some colors and see what we're going to wind up with. But I know there's quite a bit of them in here. I'd say probably, like I said, probably think about 50, maybe 60 of them. It's just really hard to spot all of them. But at least this way you get a little bit better idea of what you're looking at. Because I noticed, like I said, the last video, I don't even know how you guys could see. I could see them, and I thought you could see them, but yeah, apparently not so much. So I figured I'd do this little update to give you a close-up look as to what they look like. And that one, yeah, there's some of them. They're mostly yellow, I'm noticing, but there is some other colors in there too. There's a water strider. he got in there with them. But yeah, so we'll see. It'll be fun to sit and watch and see how they grow and see what colors they're going to turn into. Nice little project for the winter months to see how they mature and everything. Oh, and I did want to show you, yes, we have more fish here at the farm. I had my neighbor friend, where I used to live, he decided he wanted to bring me these down here. We had our county fair, and of course they always have those goldfish bowls where you throw a ping pong ball in them and try to win a fish. And my little buddy Jaden, he got me 6 fish. So there's 6 goldfish in here. A couple of them are real tiny, but those are the bigger ones. Yeah, those are the bigger ones. So we've got them in a little quarantine tank down here, because of course I'm not going to put them right in the pond with the other fish, because we don't know anything about them and whether or not they're diseased or not. So we've got them a little quarantine tank here. They seem to be doing good. They're eating, and every day they're swimming a little bit better, so they're getting around. We'll see what happens. I don't know. But I thought that was really sweet of him to bring me these 6 fish, and we're going to name them because, of course, Jaden got them for me, so I'm going to have to name them. So I'm going to have to come up with some names. But, yeah, so there's the baby update. At least this way you can, like I said, you can see the baby koi now. And at least this way, you know, we can all sit and watch them grow together, I guess. See what they wind up turning out to look like. Because there's all different kinds in there. I can tell already. Like I said, I can't tell if some of them look a little bit different colored already. I can see they're a little bit darker. So, I don't know. We'll see. But like I said, mostly they're orange. Okay, well, thank you for watching. And I'll do another update on these as they grow a little bit bigger. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.